As a busy parent, there's a lot to manage. Keeping up with activities, assignments, school news, emergencies, the list never ends. Luckily, our school district is working with School Bundle and has just launched a new app on Android and iOS. Just a simple, secure login, and away we go. Forget checking the school website 3 times a day. Now all the school news is right here. Didn't Jackie's school have a science fair last week? Awesome! They placed first! From bus delays to school picture day, I get real-time notifications right here on my phone. When was school picture day again? Oh, here it is. Wow, we have a lot going on this month. Let's just take it one day at a time. This app pulls all of my kids' information in. Attendance, grades, emergency contacts, bus routes. It's all in one place.